Hi everyone, welcome to the Stuff It collab, bags, purses, and boxes. I almost didn't post again this month, and I'm sorry Jamie, but I decided I needed to make some little boxes for pretty informal family only, immediate family only really. Little ceremony we're gonna have for my mom, and this coming Friday probably, if I can get confirmation of it. Anyway, so I had these little pizza boxes from Stampin' Up, mini pizza boxes. They're item 144645. I only had 6 out of the pack of 8 left, but that's probably enough for me. I also, these are brand new in the Peony suite with Stampin' Up, the square vellum doilies, 152484, and that's those. And I used Whisper White cardstock, Petal Pink ink with a sponge, and these beautiful Peony dies. And the designer series paper also called Peony Garden, and I used these 2 sheets. One second. Those, and then also I used this side with this on 3. I did 3 and 3 because I am gonna have a couple of guys here. I didn't want it to be all pinky pink. So anyway, I did not use the dies that cut out the stamped images because this comes as a bundle if you'd like to get it as a bundle. It's called Prize Peony, and they are distinctive stamps and they're gorgeous. I only use like the ones from here down, and those make the peonies. Excuse me, I'm about to show you. So here we go. Now I'm not finished with 2 of them. If you would like to see how to make these flowers with the prized peony, I think they're just called peony dies actually. Hang on. Oops. If I can get it off. I can't. Yeah, peony dies, but they coordinate with the prized peony stamp set. Anyway, if you would just like the dies and know how to do these, come back to my Saturday stamping tips, techniques, and more, and I'm going to put a couple of them together with you because we're going to make a card and finish one of these boxes. I have die cut pieces, but I haven't gotten them on yet. So these are the petal pink ones. You can see I have the doily on top. Now let me show you this one because I have bling on it. I have not put ribbon on yet. I'm still trying to decide what kind of ribbon and where I want it. It might just be a tiny little bow right here and not wrapped fully around is what I'm thinking. For these I will probably use the brand new gray granite shimmer ribbon. Yeah, probably on these I will. I did originally do the flower on these in gray granite. I didn't like it, so and this particular box I kind of messed up and put petal pink on the front and back and then the gray granite peony paper on the sides, but it's okay, so it brings that out. Now on these other 2 it's the gray granite peony paper all the way around, and then just that gray granite pattern on top. And I just used the Stampin' Seal Plus and just put a little dab there in the middle because that's going to be covered with the peony. So these will get the gray granite shimmer ribbon. I'm actually thinking for these, this ribbon that we have is too wide. I do still have, I think, some retired ribbon that was petal pink with champagne metallic, and I might just use those to finish. That's not available anymore. And then the gems that go with, which I'm not convinced I'm loving either on the boxes. I think they'd be beautiful on a card. I just don't know if I want them on the box, or maybe I need to put the pink ones on, probably. These are the elegant faceted gems, and I love them. They have the pearlized ones, which is what I put on here, the petal pink and the clear, and they are faceted. They are gorgeous. I'm going to order more of those, I think. So I have not filled them yet, obviously, but like I said, come back this afternoon at 5 p.m. Eastern, and I will have a Saturday stamping tips, techniques, and more, and show you how to make the dimensional peony flower with the dies. And we probably will also do one stamping, but use a 3D peony on the actual stamped image. Okay. All right, guys, please go check everyone else out, and thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you next month on Stuff It Bags, Purses, and Boxes. Hugs, love, and peace. Take care, everyone.